Hello everyone. Once again we will discuss a very important question. So the question is 2 to the power x which is equal to x to the power 32. Okay. So 2 to the power x is equal to x to the power 32. Now we have to calculate x to the power 1 by 8 plus 2 plus 2. This we need to calculate. Okay. So okay, this question can be solved. What we have given, see, 2 to the power x is equal to x to the power 32, isn't it? Now see, these types of questions can be solved by the method of homomorphism. Now what do you mean by homomorphism? Homomorphism means the appearance of the content of the left hand side must be equal to the appearance of the content of the right hand side. Now it can be understood, just see the video, you will be very clear what I meant to say that. Okay, see it. Okay, so we are given 2 to the power x and x to the power 32. Okay, now what we'll do, uh, by taking by taking 1 by x as the power, okay, both sides. So what will happen if I'm taking 1 by x? Tell me. So it will become, so 2 to the power x and I am taking 1 by x as the power. Okay, and this is x to the power 32 and I am taking 1 by x as the power. Okay, now what will happen? See, we know a very important exponential formula, that is a to the power m, and which is also having power n. That means we can write it as a to the power, the both the powers will be multiplied with each other, both the powers will be multiplied each other, or we can interchange the power, or we can interchange the power of the exponent. Okay, so just use this formula, exponential formula, and see the magic how it can be converted, and we can get the value of x. Okay, that is the unknown term. So now, from this exponential formula, whatever we are having power a to the power m and which is also having power n, so both the powers will be multiplied. So I'm using this concept, so x into 1 by x. Okay, and here also x to the power 32 and into 1 by x. So what will happen here, x and x will be cancelled with each other, isn't it? Now after that, uh, 2 to the power 1 is there, and here we are having x to the power 32 ones are 32, is 32 ones are 32 and by x. Okay, after that what you need to do, just remove the power 32 from from this side, you'll see the magic. Okay, so here in left hand side 2 to the power 1 is there, and here x to the power 32 by x is there. Okay, how it can be removed, the power 32 by taking 1 by 32 as power both sides, taking 1 by 32 as the power. Okay, both sides. Okay, then what will happen, tell me. You'll get that 2 to the power 1 is there, and I'm taking 1 by 32 as power. So in right hand side also, x to the power 32 by x is there, and I'm taking 1 by 32 as power. Okay, now after that what will happen? Well, after that what will happen, use that the same concept, the power will be multiplied by the powers, isn't it? Similarly, in right hand side also x to the power 32 by x is there, and 1 by 32 is there. Okay. Now after that, what will happen? So 2 to the power 1 times 1 by 32, and here also to x to the power 32 by x into 1 by 32. Now this 32 will be cancelled. See, this is the magic. So x is having power 1 by x, isn't it? Please keep this right hand side as it is, x to the power 1 by x. This the ways and the uh, unknown terms which are having as power, both are same. That is x, which is having power 1 by x as power, isn't it? So these are this you can say homomorphism. These types of appearance we have to bring in left hand side. So this is the important concept. Please keep these terms as it is. We will not change anything on the right hand side. We try to change in left hand side only. Now base is 2, and which is having power 1 by 32. Now just convert this base and this 1 by 32 just similar to the right hand side. You'll get the value of x. Okay, so how it can be done? See the magic and see the steps what I am taking right now. So 1 can be written as 2 by 2. 1 can be written as 2 by 2, and there is a multiplication of 1 by 32. Now keep this right hand side as it is. Okay, now after that, see this, what I said right now from the exponential formula, powers can be interchanged, or I can write it as 2 to the power 2 times 1 by 2, isn't it? So it will become 2 by 2. So we can write it 2 by 2 as 2 to the power 2, and whose power is 1 by 2, and again there is a multiplication of 1 by 32. Okay, now why I'm doing this? Because see, this is the way of converting the left hand side as similar as the right one. 2 to the power 2, that is 4 is there, and this 1 by 2, 1 by 2 will be multiplied with 1 by 32, and it will be equal to 1 by x. Now what I am getting here, so 1 by 2 and 1 by 32, when multiplied with each other, 1 by 64 will be there, isn't it? I think you don't have any doubt as a student. Now see, again I can write here 1, again write here 1, and 1 can be written as 1 can be written as 4 2 by 2, and this is 1 by 64, and this is x to the power 1 by x. I'm not going to change anything on the right hand side. I'm just changing the left hand side. Okay, now see this 4 to the power 2 by 2 can be written as 4 to the power 2, and which is having 1 by 2 as power. It will become when these two terms, these powers will be multiplied with each other, then it will become 2 by 2. Okay, now again I'm writing the powers which are there. So x to the power 1 by x. Now 4 to the power 2 means 16, and 1 by 2 into 1 by 64, that is 1 by, if I'm not wrong, then it will be 128. Okay, so 64 into 2, 2 4 is 8, and 2 6 is 12. So this is the term. So x to the power 1 by x on the right hand side. Now again I'm doing this. See 16, and it is also 16 can be written as 16 to the power 1 by 20. It can be written as 2 by 2 into 1 by 20, 128. See, 2 by 2 means what? It is 1, nothing else, and 1 is multiplied with any number, then it will not affect the number, isn't it? That's why I'm writing 2 by 2. And from 2 by 2, why I am writing 2 by 2? Because it is useful to increase the power, increase the value of the base. See, I'm just increasing the value of the base. Initially what was the value of the base? See, initially the value of the base is initially the value of the base is 2. See here, 2, isn't it? Now what I'm doing, the base is increasing, isn't it? Now 16 to the power 2 is can be written as 2 by 2 means 16 to the power 2, and which is also multiplied with 1 by 2. Now it will become what? 16 to the power 2 by 2, and into 1 by 128, isn't it? So this is x to the power n x. Now finally what will happen, if you will square 16 you will get 256, isn't it? 256, and which is having power 1 by 2 into 128. So it will, when 2 is multiplied with 128, then it is also 1 by 256. Now see student, what I try to make you understand. See, here the base is, here the base is 256, this is base, okay, and this is exponent, okay, exponent, and this is also base, and this one is exponent, okay. Now see, the appearance of the left hand side is having 256 to the power 1 by 256, and here on right hand side x to the power 1 by x, x to the power 1 by x, isn't it? That means, see, this is called homomorphism. Homomorphism, so what is the, whatever the appearance in left hand side, that must be equal to the appearance of the right hand side. So by comparing what I by comparing we can say that, we can say that what we can say that x will be equal to, x will be equal to 256, isn't it? X will be equal to 256. Okay, now what is the, what do we need to calculate here? See, we have to calculate the value of this one, x to the power 1 by 8 plus 2. This we need to calculate. Okay, so we got the value of x. Now this x can be calculated. See, I need to calculate x to the power 1 by 8 first of all. Now 1 by 8 means 256 to the power 1 by 8, isn't it? Because you are given x to the power, x is equal to 256. Now you need to calculate x to the power 1 by 8. How it can be calculated? By taking the power 1 by 8. By taking the power 1 by 8 both sides. Okay, now 1 by 2, how you can calculate 1 by 2? Sorry, 1 by 8. How you can calculate 1 by 8 uh, of the base 256? Now 256 can be written as 1 by 2 times 1 by 4. Yes, if I'm not wrong. Then, because powers and powers are multiplied with each other from the exponential formula, so whenever there is a power 1 by 2 students, it means it is a square root of that number. So 256 whose power is 1 by 2, that means a square root of 256, and which is also having 1 by 4. Now it will, if you know the value of 256, then you know it very well that 256 is nothing else 16 into 16, isn't it? And whose power is 1 by 4. Now 16, say 16 is, will be free from the roots. Now again we are having 1 by 4 as power. Now 16 can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now this is 16 to the power 1 by 2. That means again there is a square root of 16 and which is having 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 is this one. And for this 1 by 2 power, we are having square root. Okay. So yes, after that what we'll do, uh, square root of 16 is nothing else, 4 into 4 can be written as 16 whose power is 1 by 2. So 4 can be, 4 will be free from the roots, that is taken out from the roots. Now again we are having 1 by 2 as power. So again by 1 by 2 means square root of that number. So finally we are having 2 as the result. So what we are observing, so x to the power 1 by 8 is nothing else, just we are getting the value x to the power 1 by 8 is 2. Okay, now we need to calculate x to the power 1 by 8 plus 2. So very simple, x to the power 8 means 2 and plus 2, so the final result is 4, isn't it? The final result is 4. So students, I have tried my best to make you understand the concept of homomorphism and to solve this type of tricky questions. So I think you don't have any doubt. And still, if you are having any problem in this question, then please do comment on the comment section so that I can understand what you have a problem, and depending upon your problem I will make another video for the clearance of your problem. Okay, thank you, bye bye.